Hello, good morning everyone. Nice to talk to you again. I am Jenny, and welcome to our Mainlander's Voice. And I'm right standing on the top floor of my house to enjoy the sunshine. Maybe for the last 2 days, we experience the rainy days all the time, and it is a bit so sad that the coronavirus is spreading seriously in China. So I am confined to my little house. Even in this little village, everyone is confined to the little space, and we don't go out. We don't take part in any gatherings or any meetings or any friends visit like that. And it is so sad again to read that the NBA star Kobe and his daughter were dead because the helicopter crashed this morning. And I should say life is a journey with so many shockings all the time. And like this time, we experienced the coronavirus in China. And as I told you last time that we've got 5,500 people in our hometown, and I knew that there are around 170 people came back from Wuhan province, Wuhan city, Hubei province. So for those people, they are doubtedly checked, and they are forbidden to go out. And we are really afraid of that kind of virus. So all the masks were sold out as well. It's a bit crazy, but I could feel nothing special Spring Festival atmosphere this year. It's really serious this time. So I guess for the next 10 or 15 days, we will be grounded to our little home all the time.